Sheep friends! Oh, I just slipped. So taking a trip to the Lake District today, a bit of camping, pick up my uncle. Let's see what the day brings. Jesus. So it's 10:30 at night. Basically it's took us an hour to get from where them lights are to here. An hour. Exactly an hour. And I'm thinking, the moment we get to the top of there, it's going to be like one of them mirages or whatever it's called, where you get to the top and you realise it's not the top. How gnarly is this?
I'd say it's probably about an 8, easy.
An 8?
Well, what would you say?
Yeah.
Definitely an 8, isn't it?
Yeah. Made it. Finally made it. What time is it? Fucking hell, 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock. We set off at 9:30 and we're here. I don't even know if this is even going to be in focus how dark it is, but yeah. Battery's running low, so catch you in the morning.
What I'm going to do is try and get the tarp up first.
See, that's what I was sleeping in last night. Pretty good. Wakey, wakey.
What time is it?
Nearly half 7. So, boiled some water from the river, lake, and I've nearly finished my breakfast with that water. What say bets that I'm going to be violently vomiting?
It's gonna be shitting through the middle.
We'll see. Stay tuned. I suppose it's time to go back down. So where are we going to next? Coniston Water?
Yeah, do you want it?
Yeah. What's that place called? One with a mine?
Copper Mine Valley.
Copper Mine Valley?
Yeah.
Sounds like some off Fallout. Mission activated!
My
Smile!
my
Just spotted an area that we thought now that we could have camps on, so checking up the mountain. So that is pretty good.
maybe go there next time.
Yeah, can do.
It's pretty flat.
Yeah.
And you got like all the where the water was gathering there, you can get your water from there, can't you?
Yeah.
And then the stone as well to maybe get a little fire going. That rule, isn't it? If you arrive late, pitch late, and then get up early, get away early.
Yeah.
No one knows you're finished.
We made it. We're at the bottom.
Got to see if they do some
Breakfast. That's if it's even open.
I don't know whether it will do.
Nah, they're not. Well, microphone wasn't on first time, so this is the second round shooting. I'm going to keep it brief. We're in Coniston. We're going up to the old man, which is all the way up there, and a copper mine. Yeah, I've had a few pints, so.
Should make it a bit easier.
Any words for the camera?
Yeah, I just think pains and some sweats coming to us.
Pains and some sweats after eating beers. Yeah.
It's in order, I think.
So what are you doing?
I'm just going to chop this thistle down
Yeah.
and just taste it, just see what it tastes like. Apparently you can, it's a little bit like, once you process it, it's a little bit like celery. But I don't know whether that's true or not. So you just take all the leaves off. See what I mean?
Yeah.
That's very prickly. My God.
Stop being such a prick. Get it? Get it?
So, got that. And then you got to take all this shit off the outside. Are you going to try some?
I'll give it a go.
I tell you what, it seems very fucking woody. I don't know what cunt fucking decided to eat this, but they need fucking their heads testing, don't they? Who decided that this would be a good idea to eat?
Turns out it was a good idea to eat.
Mate, this is fucking really woody. Nah, like, you can't fucking eat that. Actually, maybe the inside of it you could.
Yeah.
Quite pithy.
Pithy.
I wouldn't have it on me.
On your Sunday dinner.
Actually, if you get that fucking hard, shitty, you know, the rispy outside off, if you process it right, yeah, you could definitely put it in maybe a stew or something. Have a little.
Do it in nibble. I see what you mean about celery. Yeah.
Yeah.
Tastes like unprocessed cabbage.
Yeah.
I bet you if you boiled it up, it'd be really nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not bad actually. There you go.
Yeah.
So if you look for this sort of plant and you're hungry, thistle, basically just chop it down and get the white bit in the inside.
The peth.
The pith,
Yeah.
peth.
Pith, peth.
See what it's doing. Yeah, you can eat it.
It's just getting that woody exterior off, isn't it? Oh shit.
Well.
But no, that's the one, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, decided to set up camp here. Perfect place, just across from this tarn. As you can see, building a thermal wall. That's what you call it, isn't it? Thermal wall, yeah. Thermal wall. Kind of nature's finest. And it's safe to say I've got backache already. Don't know about you.
Me too.
Finally, after how many hours? We check in, would you say?
2 days.
2 days of check-in, and we're at the final point. So yeah, celebrate with a Hop House Lager 13 or Hop House 13 Lager. Let me take you a tour around my crib. There we have it. Inside of it, it's just a tarp, it's not a tent, it's a tarp, tarpaulin. Oh, I better get up. That's the front of it. On the outside, pretty simple to do. Can get your tutorials on YouTube on how to do it. You can, basically these corner bits are tucked in, but you can have them out. I just prefer to have them tucked in on that side and that side. But yeah.
I've got the low profile.
Low profile.
It's going to get a bit windy tonight.
Yeah, so I don't know if you forgot, but we're in Coniston.
Coniston, yeah.
Coniston, yeah.
Just up near the Copper Mine Valley, isn't it?
Yes.
Above there.
Yeah. Check out the Copper Mine Valley, there's loads of mines, can't get in them, but it's pretty interesting. I might take you to one in a sec. Sure. But first, let me show you a view. Boom. Incredible. So you'd have a bad day if you fell down there. A very bad day. So yeah, let me take you to a mine. Don't know if I can get into it. I'm going to take you to a mine. Look at that. Jesus. Can't really see much. Blocked off though, unfortunately. But we'll have another surprise. There we go. The opening goes all the way down. I don't have much battery left, so don't know when the video is going to end. But yeah, it's been fun. It's been fun, hasn't it? It's been fun.
It's very, very big fun.
Big fun, yeah. It's been emotional at times.
Emotional.
But yeah.
Still in one piece, aren't we?
Yeah, just about. I might leave the video at this. I'm going to put this in the clip, and if there's anything more after, then you know that I still carried on filming. So yeah, bye bye. Or maybe not. We'll see. Bye.